so this is our Equipter. It has some incredible uses to it. Some key features for customers that they're going to love is the big extra wide tires, and that helps keep, you know, your yard, the grass looking really, really good because the tires aren't digging a trench. We're not having to back our big dump trailer over there onto your nice yard and put trenches in it and tear it up. So this thing, it's meant to be easy on the grass, but then also it is amazing at catching everything. So you have extensions here that you can take out, you can put on the roof to channel shingles exactly where you want them. You can put extensions out either side, the front or back, to make it a wider catching area. And then you just drive it right over to your dump trailer, which is parked on the driveway or out of the way, and you dump them in. So you'll learn more about this machine as you see our jobs happening this summer. We'll give you more details on it, but yeah, I'll fire it up and just kind of show you how it works, how it can dump, how it can move, and it's a pretty cool machine. I'm not going to open the tailgate right now because there's trash in it already, but we can open the tailgate. I can go up to 12 feet high, so it's got quite a bit of height to it, definitely enough to get over the edge of a dump trailer and dump it in. But yeah, it's got a lot of motion to it, all hydraulic. I can put these hydraulic legs down to support it however we need, but it's a really, really awesome machine. Makes our job site streamlined, clean, and keeps your yard looking really, really nice. So it's a huge plus that we have this guy to help us on the job.